What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Chevrolet Impala getting wrapped in this 3M 2080 gloss deep blue metallic. As you guys can see, the metallics, unbelievable. Another thing about this vinyl, 3M basically did it to where there's this layer on top of this gloss finish, and it's just like the gloss black by 3M 2080, the gold sparkle, gloss white, anything that's gloss white, I feel like they do this, and it's very cool because it gets rid of all the streaks that are left from the squeegee, from the fingerprints upon installing, and just helps a lot, like literally saves a lot of time. So I don't know a lot about other brands, but I know for sure they do add something on top, but you got to remove it and then you could install the wrap. You cannot install it with that top layer. I don't know, it's like a clear film, whatever, but I don't know, with them it's like stretchable. It's freaking nice. If you ever seen me doing a car in gloss black by 3M 2080, you know what I'm talking about, because I touched base on this numerous amounts of times. So anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna update you guys as I get this car finished. And this color, I just can never get enough of it in the sunlight. This is crazy. Let's get to it. There you guys go. Just finished the hood, and there's a lot of little squeegee marks left from me installing this vinyl. Very easy to take off all of this. Watch this. This is what I was talking about. This is why you go with branded material. If only I could grab this part right here, and then look at this. Look at this. Take a look. Voila, just like that. Just like that. This is crazy. Yo. And there you go. Almost finished with the car. Gonna be a relatively quick video for you guys, as I do have a lot of cars lined up and I do have to get these cars out of here with in mind quality. So yeah, everything has been removed when it comes to quality. I mean, rear taillights, the bumper, you don't have to remove it completely. All you could do is just remove their, I think it's 8mm on the corner here, and just pry it off. Just remember, if you're doing this kind of car Impala, the taillights are not able to come out with the bumper on. So when you loosen up the bumper, both sides, you kind of loosen it up, and then the taillight kind of like comes out. Because I guess this part right here kind of goes inside the lower bracket on the taillights. It's really confusing, but I mean, I managed to pull it off. Here you guys go. Removed everything, even this chrome piece. I mean, the wrap is crazy. You can't really see it because it is deep blue metallic and it is darker right here, but like right here you put your hands in for the little button to open up the trunk, and it's all blue. Maybe I'll show you guys when I take this car out in the sunlight. But yeah, I do have to open you guys. Got to show you how I went in here nicely. I mean, it's crazy. It's perfect. I like it. I'm satisfied with so far how it looks. Can't wait to get it out in the sunlight. I'm gonna finish up these doors, the door handles, and wrap it up, clean it up. Well, there you guys have it, all complete. Gonna go over real quick what I did, what I removed. All right, so the grills have been removed, the license plate, this top part, the lights, everything. So everything's looking nice. So right here I could have easily just kind of like cut and tucked it in like most people do, but it's like all the way in there nicely, perfect looking. The color is unbelievable. Take a look. The metallic, the blue is so deep, so rich. When you spend money for a quality vinyl, you get quality results. That's just how it goes. So this is the side that's not getting the light, because I like to show you guys the side that doesn't get the light and the side that does get the light. I'm gonna go to the other side in a minute, but right here you guys can take a look. If you're interested in this color, gloss deep blue metallic, very nice color, very nice color. Obviously got in there nicely, and I'm gonna show you now the back. It's crazy. Like, remember I was trying to show you here how deep I went. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but like this whole piece has been removed. I do recommend doing it. You can see it's blue all the way down there. It is blue. Right here, it's all blue. It's how it's supposed to be, man. All right, so here's the side that is getting beamed by the light. If I get up close, I don't know if the phone's picking it up, but like you can see the metallics right here. This is it. Crazy. This is crazy. So here's the side that's getting the light. I'll go to the other side where that's not getting the light. You see, it's a subtle blue. Very nice color. Very nice pick. The shark fin has been wrapped too. Here's the roof. Unbelievable. Crazy. That's really it. I mean, emblems. He provided brand new emblems. Looks nice. Nice chrome Impala. Before it was like A missing or the L missing, whatever. Now it's one nice Impala. Very nice color. Very nice pick. So he's on his way. He's gonna be excited.
It's blue. We can't miss you.
Take a look. Whole different car, bro. Oh, different car.
Yeah, big difference.
And then yeah, I got this stuff on.
Yeah.
In the light, in the sunlight, bro, it's a whole different beast. Like the color is unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's all blue.
Blue. All right.
There you guys have it. He's so happy, excited. Perfect. All the emblems in. There you go. Like, subscribe, comment, you guys. See you guys in the next video.